How to roll over your 401k. If you have left an employer recently and you are going to a new company, or maybe you're retiring completely, then you'll want to pay attention to this video to save yourself some headache and stress when it comes to rolling over your old 401k plan to your new employer or your new account. Now, in order to do this, you are going to have to request a distribution from your previous employer, and you'll need an account to roll that money into. So it could be into your new employer's 401k plan, where you are going to need the account name, you're going to need the plan name, the account number, and the distribution is going to come directly to you to deposit into that account. Or if you are going to roll over your 401k into an IRA, an individual retirement account, then you are going to need to have that IRA set up before you deposit funds into that account. And the transfer process itself can be tax-free, meaning that just because you take the distribution from your 401k account, it doesn't cause any taxes. It's not a taxable transaction, so long as you deposit the funds into the new account within the 60-day window. But if you don't make the deposit into an IRA or a 401k account within 60 days, then the full distribution can be taxable. And that can cause a lot of taxes and penalties and fees that could be unexpected. So pay attention to this video because it's going to help you with making sure that you don't have any unexpected taxes or penalties where you are trying to move the money from your old 401k plan into your new plan. Now, in order to distribute the funds from your old plan, you are going to need to request a distribution. And that distribution is going to start the process where they will liquidate your funds and then mail you a check. More often than not, they're going to mail you a check, yes, even in 2025. And that check is going to be made out to you, to your name, for benefit of you. And that is going to be only cash by you. So just in case it gets lost or something happens during the transfer process, you don't have to worry. That's the benefit of having it made out to the custodian for benefit of your name, is that only that institution can cash the check and the funds can only go into the account as long as your name's on it. That process for getting the funds distributed and mailed to you can take anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks, just depending on the institution itself. Once you receive the check, now you have to go and deposit those funds using a new form for the receiving institution and along with the check. So you're going to send in the mail that form and a check, and that is going to be deposited into the account for you. Now, this is really helpful for you for many reasons. First of all, it makes your life easier. When you consolidate your accounts, you have fewer accounts that you have to manage, and that makes it easier from the number of statements that you're going to receive, from your investment allocation, and also it can help you with fees because each plan's fees are going to be different based on the administrative costs, based on the fund lineup, and other expenses involved with that. So oftentimes you could half your investment costs by moving plans. And this can help you to increase your returns because you're not spending as much in fees and overhead, and instead you're keeping more of your money for your retirement and your financial future. Now, if you ever need help with any of this, you should reach out to a financial advisor. Your advisor can be on the phone with you to help you to ensure that you're using the right language when you request a distribution, but also to make sure that you don't have any surprises when it comes to your tax situation. Finally, your advisor is going to help you to set up your new portfolio allocation so that your investments are aligned with your risk tolerance and your goals. My name is Nathan Garcia, and if you have any questions about rolling over your 401k plan, go ahead and reach out to me on Pocket Plan. I'm happy to help you out. Thanks so much.